Today, my new recipe for leek and potato soup with smoky bacon. Let's do it. The first step for this one, we're going to need some smoked streaky bacon. And very simply, you want to take a really sharp knife and dice up your bacon into little pieces. So dice that up nice and fine and pop it to one side, ready to go. Next, we want a Dutch oven or a saucepan. Turn the heat to about medium, add a little dash of olive oil, not too much, and then chuck in your bacon. And the first important step, we want to cook the bacon and build up some beautiful fond in the bottom of the pan. But particularly when using a Dutch oven, we don't want to cook the bacon right to the point that it's really crispy, because the fond can burn. So we're going to cook the bacon about 2/3 in the Dutch oven and then finish it off in a frying pan so we can get it really crispy. While the bacon's ticking away, we want some leeks. You want to chop off the bottom of the leeks, and then a little trick, you want to slice down one side from the base to the tip, turn it over and do the same, and then you can almost fan the leek out and wash it really thoroughly. The last thing we want in our soup is any grit, dirt or slugs. So get the leeks washed. Once you've done this, shake off the excess water, pop them onto a chopping board and roughly dice them up. Chuck your diced leek into a bowl, and next we want an onion. Chop the onion in half, remove the skins, and then roughly dice this up. Stick that into a bowl, and then some celery. We want roughly the same amount of celery as onion, and we want to dice it up about the same size. The celery goes in the same bowl as the onion. And lastly, a carrot. Chop the carrot the same size as the celery. Once you've done this, that also goes into the bowl. And now returning to our bacon, it should be on its way to being cooked by now, and we'll have some lovely fond building up in that pan. This is all amazing flavour. And then you want to remove that from the pan, and then you want to chuck in your carrot, onion and celery. As soon as the veg is in, give it a good season with some salt and pepper, and we want to add a little splash of some olive oil. Keep the heat on medium. After about 2 minutes, you can chuck in your leeks, give everything a really good stir, and the trick to a really deep, flavoursome soup is to really roast off all of the ingredients and get some great colour on there. Remove all of that water and it will really intensify the flavour. You know you're done when the leeks have reduced down by about 2/3, and while this is ticking away, we're going to prepare the potato. You can peel them, this is up to you, but the more flavour we get in the soup, the better. So simply give your potatoes a wash, pop them back into the bowl, drain off the excess water, and then you just want to cut the potato up into inch-sized cubes, give or take. But the soup will be blended eventually, so you don't have to be too precise about it. Pop that to one side, and at this point we want to finish off the bacon to get it really crispy, and the veg should almost be done. So pop another frying pan on the hob, chuck in the bacon, pop the heat between medium and high, and fry this off until it's really nice and crispy. And at this point we want to add a good few knobs of butter and give that a really good stir. And once it's done, you want to remove some of the bacon to garnish the soup at the end, and the rest goes straight into the pan with the vegetables. Once the bacon is in, we're going to want some chicken stock. So pour in enough stock to just about cover the veg, and then a little trick to make the cooking a bit easier, you want to blend up the vegetables at this point. Once you've done this, you can chuck in the potato, give everything a really good stir, and then you want to top it up with some more of the chicken stock so it just about covers the potato. We can adjust this later for consistency. Pop the lid on and simmer away until the potato is just starting to get soft. So after about 15 to 25 minutes, give or take, get the lid off, give it a good stir, and then you want to get back in there with the hand blender. Blend it up until it's really nice and smooth, and this is the point where you can adjust the consistency, adding any more water or stock. Stir it through, give it a taste, and then you want to season with some salt and freshly ground black pepper, and we're ready to go. So pour your soup out into a bowl, add a little drizzle of some cream, sprinkle over some of that crispy bacon, and finish with a little drizzle of some extra virgin olive oil. And there we have a really warm and hearty, thick leek and potato soup with bacon. All that's left to do is to get stuck in. So give it a try, and I'll see you next time.